Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Colette and in this channel we do everything beauty, wellness and personal development. So today we're going to be talking about, not talking action, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my two-step lip combo with just two lip products. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, do so right now because I'm going to be sharing amazing beauty tips, amazing wellness tips and a lot more. As you can see guys, I'm getting ready for church and I'm almost done. I'm done with my tying my scarf. I'm done with other makeup. I applied my eyeliner. I applied my kajal. I used my brow gel on my brows. I applied my mascara. So I'm going to be doing my lip makeup, which is going to be the last step because I do not do foundation. I don't do blush for now. So after that, I'm going to put on my cherries and off I go. So let's get right into this. So for this, you're going to be needing two lip liners. I'm going to be using a black lip liner and a nude lip liner, a brown lip liner, sorry. A brown lip liner and a black lip liner. You can decide to use only black if you want to. You can decide to use only brown if you want to. The choice is yours. But for me, I'm going to be using these two because I want to give a darker shade of brown, I want to, give this darker shade of brown. So the brown doesn't give me that shade of brown that I'm looking for. And the black is too dark. So I'm going to mix the both of them to give me that darker shade. So let's go right into it. Now, first of all, you want to make sure that your lips are moisturized. When I say moisturized, I mean really moisturized. Because if your lips are chapped, you might not really get a smooth result. You might not really get the best results that you're looking for. If you have pink lips, you are lucky. If you have nude lips, still lucky. If you do not have these shades or colors that are mentioned, I think you can still do this if you want to, but I do advise that you look for a pigmented lip gloss so give that color, give it a pop of color. So I'm going to be starting with the black lip liner. If you have thick lips like me, you want to make sure that you do not overline too much, even if you want to. I do not overline my lips personally because I just don't think that it looks great on me. So I do more of underlining than overlining. So I'm going to go right there. I'm going to be using my mirror. So if you see me divert my gaze somewhere else, just know I'm looking at my mirror, right? So you want to make sure that you press your lips together so you get a really good lining, right? Now here it is. This is how I line it. As you can see, I do not line it outside my lip line. You see that, right? So I'm just going to blend it in. If you want to blend it in, you can either use your finger or you use the bottom of your lip liner, or you can just press your lips together and rub it and you're good. But for me, I do not choose to use this because somehow it just doesn't work for me. So I'm going to press my lips together. You can see that, right? Just blended. Can you see that? Yeah. So right now, I'm going to go with the brown lip liner. You want to make sure that it's sharp. As you can see, it is not, so I'm going to sharpen it. Because you want to make sure that it comes out really well, right? So I'm going to use the brown lip liner on the black and extend it a little bit downwards or upwards depending on the part of my lip that I'm applying it on. Now you want to be careful while doing this so you do not apply the brown lip liner inside the pink or nude pigmented part of your lips, right? Can you see that? You see that contrast, right? I naturally do have nude lips, so whenever I do this, you tend to see the nude part of my lips from more prominent. You see that? You can decide to add more lining to the upper part of your lips if you want to give it another line. I do this on just on these cupid lines because I have cupid lines, so I just do it to give it a little bit of definition. You see that? If you have cupid lips like me, I think you're lucky because applying a lip liner is not going to be a hassle for you. You just need to follow those lines and you get a good result. So this is the clear lip gloss that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be applying with this because, I mean, why not? This is actually from a lip gloss that I got a few months back. It got finished, so I said to myself, why should I throw this away? Why, when I can actually use it to apply my other lip gloss that doesn't have an applicator. So if you really want to get a good result, you make sure that you apply using this, right? So you get the best results. And here it is. I just put it on the lip like that. And the first place you're going to apply this clear lip gloss on, it should be the inner part of your lips. That is the part that has the pink pigment or the nude pigments, right? Because if you apply it on these parts where you've lined your lips, you will most likely stain this applicator and then apply the stained applicator, or will I say apply it right on the inner lips. It's going to stain the inner lips, okay? I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I know you get what I'm saying, actually. So yeah, go right in. Go right in. See that? Then you just there. And then you're going to have to do this again. Put it again on this. And then you apply on the line part. And you want to be very careful, okay, by doing this so you do not and if you have cupid lines like mine, you can apply on it as well. To make it look like you've natural lips, but it's not really over and over, right? So here it is. You see that, right? So I use this method every now and then whenever I go to class and whenever I'm also going to church as well. If I do not want to apply pigmented lip gloss, but I still want to, give this Lipcombo vibe, I just do this and off I go. And I think it's one of the best lip combos I've done in a while. Because most of the time, so whenever I do these, use this pigmented lip glosses, I don't really get the results that I'm looking for. But with this, it's effortless, it's beautiful. Come on, look at this. Can you see this? So that is for today's video, guys. I hope you will love this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have other beauty tips, other beauty tutorials that you want me to share, say it right in the comment section. I'm going to make a video on that whenever I can. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.